Hi guys, thanks for watching What's on My Plate. So for today we're doing oven roasted split chicken breast with potatoes. It's ready in an hour and a half. After the hour and a half you take the foil off and let it brown for like 15 minutes and it's done. And then you can prepare everything the night before, put it in your fridge, and then all you're going to do at the end is just add the water in and it goes right into the oven. So that's what I did with this. So I don't have everything set out like I usually do. I'm not going to be chopping. I'm just going to explain all the ingredients and everything you need. So basically I have everything written down here. I will put the whole recipe on my channel so you can check it out. So basically I'm using 2 split chicken breasts here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. And then I'll explain it all. So, okay, so here's my chicken breasts with the bone. I usually do 4, but my pan here is not that big. So I only put 2. I have my potatoes, my carrot, piece of celery for flavor, 2 bouillon cubes in here. And I put 2 garlic cloves just cut up and chopped. So basically, and the potatoes are all cut. So this is going to be so quick to tell you guys how to do this. So basically you need lemons. So I'm going to go ahead and explain the whole recipe while I'm focused on here so you could see. So basically you could do the recipe for chicken breast or just 2. So basically put them in the pan, cut 3 to 5 potatoes, however many you can fit in your pan, 2 carrots cut up like you see, the potatoes how they're cut, see, and the piece of celery for flavor, and then the pieces of garlic are just going to go inside the tray, and then the bouillon cubes, just break them and put them in, and then you need some salt, pepper, paprika, and olive oil. So you cut everything up, as you see here that it's already cut. Cut it, put the chicken breasts in here. Take the lemon juice, squeeze it all over the chicken breasts. All over it, around it, underneath, everything. Squeeze the lemon juice in the whole pan on the potatoes and the carrots. And then go ahead, salt and pepper liberally both sides of the chicken breasts and the potatoes. Salt, pepper, oregano all over it. And then all over here as well. And then what we do is we're going to drizzle olive oil all over this. So I'm going to try to see if I can grab the olive oil really quick so I could show you. Okay, so that's it. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle olive oil, oops, all over the chicken breast, the potatoes. I would say maybe it's a half a cup of olive oil, maybe a quarter cup. My bouillon cube is already in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill it with water up to here. So maybe you can see, like right here. I want the potatoes to be covered. So I mean, this is a quick, easy recipe. You can prepare it exactly like this overnight in your fridge. Just don't add the water until the next day. Temperature 400 for an hour and a half. Remove the foil and let it crisp up on the outside for 15 minutes and it's done. So that's what I'm going to do now. I prepared this the night before. That's why I am not here chopping and stuff. So yeah, this is pretty much it. So I'm just going to put the camera here so you can see me again. Okay. So basically that's my whole recipe. And it's so quick, I just showed it to you because it's already prepped. Prep it, put it in the fridge. My kids right now are at school. I can get this in the oven for an hour and a half. Take the foil off, go ahead, let it brown on top for 15 minutes, shut it off, and I still have a few hours till I pick up the kids. And my dinner is completely ready. What I do is I make some rice on the side of it, and that's pretty much it. That's the whole meal. And the recipe again will be listed on my channel so you can see it. Chicken breast, potatoes, carrot, garlic, celery, the seasoning, salt, pepper, paprika, olive oil, and lemon juice. And I did throw a bay leaf in here. I didn't tell you that. So I have a bay leaf here. People use the bay leaves for soup mostly. Put it in anything that you're roasting. So this roasted chicken is going to be great. If you do make the 4, you're going to have leftovers, and then just have it for tomorrow's lunch. Or, excuse me, or just eat them all. So basically it's a full meal. You don't even have to make the rice. So that is what is on my plate. I hope you enjoyed watching this, even though it was a quick clip. So yeah, please leave me your comments, your questions, and I'm going to try to keep posting stuff. I just don't have that much time. Even though I'm making time to cook dinner, I just don't have that much time to record. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Enjoy your split chicken roasted breast. Have a good one. Okay guys, so I just want to show you the part that I do put the water in. So we just put the olive oil on and everything seasoned. Salt, pepper, paprika all over everything. So I just want you guys to see how much water I'm putting. Basically cover the potatoes as much as you can. So I just used pretty much 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. That's it. We're ready to go in. Foil it up tightly. And it is ready to go in the oven.